In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online. If you bill clients in stages, like deposits, milestones, and a final balance, progress invoicing lets you send invoices for parts of a job as work is completed, all tied back to one estimate. Turning it on only takes a moment, and it can make your billing workflow much clearer for both you and your customers. First, look to the top right of your QuickBooks Online screen and click the gear icon, which opens your settings menu. From there, choose Account and Settings. This is where you control company-wide preferences that affect how your sales forms behave. Inside Account and Settings, select the Sales tab on the left panel. This tab holds everything related to how you quote, invoice, and get paid. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Progress Invoicing. You'll see a small edit option for that section. Click it, then toggle the setting on. After you switch it on, click Save to confirm your choice. Finally, click Done at the bottom right to exit Account and Settings and lock in your changes. That's the entire setup. With Progress Invoicing enabled, you can now create an estimate and convert it into one or multiple invoices as work moves forward. When you go to invoice from an estimate, you'll have options to bill a percentage of the total, a custom amount, or specific line items. This is perfect for collecting an upfront deposit, sending a mid-project invoice, and then billing the remainder when everything is complete, all while keeping the running balance accurate. A few quick tips. If you don't see the progress invoicing section, make sure you have the right user permissions to access company settings and that your subscription supports this feature. If the toggle doesn't appear right away, refresh your browser or sign out and back in to reload your settings. Turning this on won't change any invoices you've already sent. It just adds the ability to handle partial billing going forward. To recap, you clicked the gear icon, opened Account and Settings, went to the Sales tab, scrolled to Progress Invoicing, edited the setting to turn it on, saved, and clicked Done. Now you're ready to streamline phased billing and keep your projects financially organized from estimate to final payment. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, you're all set to start using progress invoicing on your next job.